Welcome. In front of me is a REALME GT Neo 5, and in this video I will show you what to do if you forgot the screen lock password to your smartphone. So first, try your best to remember the password that you entered the last time when you successfully enter your device. And if it doesn't work here, if you tried entering it here and it doesn't work, then try to enter it in a safe mode instead, because in the safe mode there will be no third-party applications affecting this process, as well as your phone will be more responsive. So to enter the safe mode, hold down the volume up key and the power button at the same time, select restart, and then wait until the REALME logo appears on your screen again, and once it does, press and hold the volume down key and keep holding it until your device boots up into the safe mode. And once your device boots up into the safe mode, you'll be able to see the indicator in the bottom left corner of your screen, like this. And let's try to enter the password here, and if you succeeded, then go to settings, select security and privacy, select device and lock, screen lock, enter your password, turn off password and confirm. And then just restart your phone by holding down the volume up key and power button again and selecting restart again, and your phone will reboot normally this time. And if you didn't succeed entering your password in the safe mode, then what you should do is contact REALME customer support service, tell them about your issue, and if you can prove the ownership of your smartphone to them, they'll most likely help you solve your issue. Now, if you can do this either, then the last option that will certainly let you regain access to your phone is factory reset operation. Now, to perform the factory reset operation, you'll have to either use your Google account if you have one connected to your device. In such case, simply enter your simply enter the Find Hub service by Google using a website on any website on any available device, and log into your Google account using the email that is connected to this smartphone. Then select this device on the list and select the last option, usually it's the last one, which is the factory reset. And once your device is fully reset, you'll be able to set it up as a new one. And if you can do this either, then you can perform a factory reset operation using the recovery mode on your device. Now, if you don't know how to access or use the recovery mode on this phone, then check out the entire video on our channel that explain this process step by step. So if you need it, go ahead and check it out. And for this video, that will be all. So thank you very much for watching it. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.